Monday night's homework, our first day of reviewing Module 3, and we're adding and subtracting fractions. And if you notice, all of these have different denominators. And if we have different denominators, we can't just add or subtract. We have to get equivalent fractions to make them have the same denominator. So let's look at number 1. 4 and 3. We can always look at the bigger one and see if 3 can go into that. And since it can't, let's just multiply them. 4 times 3 is 12. So we're going to be looking to add 12ths. So 4 times 3 got us 12. So 3 times 3 is 9. Whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. 3 times 4 gave us 12. So 2 times 4 gives us 8. 9 plus 8 is 17, and then we just keep the denominator the same. It's like if we're adding apples and oranges and we make them fruit, we have to keep it as fruit. So 17 12ths, that's improper. So we think, how many 12ths can we take out of 17? We can take out 1 and we'd have 5 12ths left over. And 5 12ths cannot be reduced, so that is our answer. So let's do a subtraction one. Let's do 3. 3 halves minus 5 6. Different denominators, so we have to make them the same. So look at the bigger one. I think, can 2 go into that? And it can, so let's just make them 6. So it'll be 6 minus 5 6. We can just leave that the same. Well, 2 times 3 gave us 6, so 3 times 3 gives us 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 6. But I can reduce these. They're both even, so they can be divided by 2 over 2, which is just 1, so I'm not changing the answer, I'm just reducing. 4 divided by 2 is 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So our answer is 2/3. Let's look at 5. We didn't work with mixed numbers today, so I want to do this one with you. We could make this into an improper fraction by thinking, how many 12ths are in 1? Well, that'd be 12, plus another 3 would be 15 12ths. Minus 2/3. Once again, not the same, so let's look at the bigger one. 3 can go into that, so let's make them just 12s. So 3 times 4, so 2 times 4 is 8. 8, we can go in, or 15 minus 8 is 7 out of 12, and 7's prime, so we cannot reduce. Robin used 1/4 pound of butter to make a cake. Before she started, she had 7/8. How much butter did she have when she was done baking? So she started with this and she used that, which means she's going to subtract it. We can make these both into 8ths, so it'd be 7/8 minus 4 times 2, so 1 times 2. That is 5/8. So my answer is in a fraction of a pound. So Robin had 5/8 pounds of butter left.